Why am I not coming down?
Now just push yourself and you'll come down. Angel, nilitoka. Let's go. Let's go of the slide. Ah. Let's go. Achilia.
Hey, what up beautiful people, it's your girl Mex. So today guys, we'll be doing a tour. It's like a restaurant review tour, and we are going to start with what is the name of that? Value Park. Okay, so today it's on a Sunday. It's beautiful weather, and I'm so super excited. And I have a guest. Come mommy, come. Say hi. Say hi guys. So guys, let's go. Hey loves, so we started off by taking a matatu. As you all know, I'm a simple girl, so I boarded a matatu from Limuru. And so let's put on our seatbelts and hit the road. Remembering exactly where the where it is located, so I had to take an Uber. So to almost to Koroka. Value Park Lodge. Nanisha, you said. We've had a nice journey na finally tumefika. As you can see the place, how beautiful it is. The last time I was there, they said need almost 3 years ago. So for me, wame change, a good change. I love it. So wacha tuingie tuone, okay? Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Hey guys, so we've ordered goat, choma goat, and we're going to wait. We've been told that we wait for about how many minutes were we told? Around 1 hour, 1 hour's time. So, and we're starving, but we're going to be patient.
1 hour later.
Are they sweet?
Yes, mommy.
I love you.
I love you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
They have this bouncing castle. Bouncing castle. Yeah, what is it called? Bouncing. Yeah, it's called bouncing castle. Castle. I don't know. Since they are bouncing, so it's called a bouncing castle. And also they have some amazing swings. And also they have what is this called? I don't know. Sliding thing. I don't know. You can tell me kwa comments down there. And also they have the beam balance. Is it called a beam balance? I don't know. So other thing I love and it's a plus for them is that they are not charging as long as you are eating.
You need, gotta
what are you going to tell people? Please like, comment, and subscribe to Mommy's channel. So guys, we've come to the end of this. I want to know where we'll be going next. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. And I'll give it a rating for this lodge. I'll give it in terms of service, I'll give them a 10 over 10 since we have been served by an amazing person. And regarding location, I'll give it 9 out of 10 since imejificha place and we had to search for it kama iko kwa Google, but it's okay. It's a 9 over 10. Haiko mbali, it's in Ruaka. And also in terms of their food was amazing. And siwezi teta juu ya bei because tumekula tumeshiba. As you have seen, that was bought. It was sweet. In short, because if I start talking about food, that is what I do best. And also, what else? I don't know whether there's something else I have demonstrated. And thank you so much, guys, and I love you so much. Bye bye.